they asked us to start the meeting, but in middle maybe they may join. You can start,
Okay.
sir. You can start.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Sir, introduction. Are you doing introduction or can I start the class?
Yeah, you can start, sir. You can start.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Unmute. Both unmute it. Don't mute. It's okay. Sri Krishna Gandharv, right? Okay. Okay. So repeat it. Okay. Sri Krishna. Unmute it. Start singing with me. Sa. Sa. Start singing.
Ga.
No, ga, sa. Sa. You're not hearing my voice?
Yes.
Then start singing. Pa. Pa.
Di.
Open your mouth. Pa. You tell pa. Sa. You should tell loudly. I should hear it, right? You're in Hyderabad. I'm in Karnataka. I should hear your voice.
Sa.
Pa. Huh? Pa.
Sa.
Sa. Pa. Sa.
Pa.
Okay.
Sa.
Good. Ritam?
Yes, sir.
Ah. So, you're from Pritam? No, man. I'm asking about your native.
Hyderabad.
You're also from Hyderabad? Yeah, okay. So, start singing. Unmute it and start.
Sa.
Good. Pa.
Pa.
Sa.
Sa.
Pa. Sa.
Sa.
Pa. Sa.
Sa.
Okay. Shri Krishna, don't mute. Okay, it's okay. Unmute. Be free. Okay. Okay. Now we are learning Carnatic music. Okay. The Carnatic music has only 7 swaras. Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Da, Ni. That's all. Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Da, Ni. That's all. Repeat it once again.
Di. Ga. Ma.
Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Da, Ni.
Sari. Ga. Ma. Pa. Da. Ni. Ni.
Yeah, that's all. Okay. Then this is ascending. Sani da pa ma ga de.
Sa.
This is descending.
Ga. Di.
Sarigama padanisa, sanirabamagarisa. Ascending and descending. Okay. 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 Both sing together. No problem. See, I forgot to tell. The tala. We call it as Adi Tala. Okay. Adi Tala has 8 beats. How much?
8
8. Yeah, 8. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
6
7, 8. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You should put down your legs. Okay. Right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Start from the small finger up to this one, and then this one, like this, like this, like this. That's all. Okay. Totally 8 talas. So 8 talas. Okay. Now the first sarala verse. Huh?
Sa
Ma
sa ma
pa dha pa
pa
da
pa
ni sa
ni sa
sa ni
sa ni
da pa
pa pa
ma ga
ma ga
re sa
ri ri ga
re sa sa
ri sa
se re ga ma
sa ri ga ma
pa dha ni sa
pa da ni sa
sa ni da pa
sa da ni
no sa ni da pa
sa ni da pa
ma ga re sa
ma ga di sa
se re ga ma
sa ri ga ma
pa dha ni sa
pa ga ni sa
sa ni da pa
sa ni da pa
ma ga re sa
ma ga ri sa
se re ga ma pa dha ni sa
sa ri ga ma pa da ni sa
sa ni da pa ma ga re sa
sa di pa ma pa ga ni sa
sa ni da pa
sa ni do pa
ma ga re sa.
ma ga re sa.
Okay, it's easy, right? Sarigama padanisa, sani da pa ma ga re. That's all. Yeah. Pritam, I didn't get your face. Show me your face once. No power, huh?
No.
Sit there, sit there. I'll take it. I'll sit there.
Ah.
Is it dark, sir?
It's very dark. I can't see your face.
He's opposite of light. Actually, he's that's
Okay. Okay. Sri Krishna, you are fine. No problem. You. Only Preetham. Huh? Okay. Okay. He got it, students. Sarada, what's the first one? Yeah. Sri Krishna, once you sing, huh?
Sari Baba. Sari
No,
Baba.
no. You should tell in a tada. Sari Gama. Listen first, okay? Sari Gama Padhani Sa Sa Ni Da Pa Ma Ga Re Sa. That's all.
Important thing. Like you.
Sri Krishna, sing.
If you didn't get it, ask one more time.
I didn't get it.
Okay. See here. Sari Gama Padhani Sa.
Sadi Baga.
No, no. Sari Gama
Sadi Ga.
Padhani Sa.
Padanisa.
Sa Ni Da Pa.
Sada. Sa.
Sa Ni Da Pa.
Sari Ga Pa.
No, no, no. Listen. Sa Ni Da Pa.
Sani Ga Pa.
Da Pa.
Da Pa. Da.
Ma Ga Re Sa.
Magadita.
Pritam, you sing one.
Sari Gama Pada Nisa. Sani Dama Pada.
No, no. Sa Ni Da Pa Ma Ga Re Sa.
Adi Napa Magarista.
No, like this. Sa Re Ga Ma.
Sari Gama.
Pa Dha Ni Sa.
Padani.
Sa Ni Dha Pa.
Sani Gapa.
Ma Ga Re Sa.
Maganesa.
Okay, Re, not Ni. Re Sa. Okay, now we about got it. Sorry, got it?
Should we sing?
Huh? Krishna, you got it, huh? Got it right? Seventh para. Sarigama Padani Sanita Pamagarisa.
No, Chippu.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Pritam, what about you?
Yes.
You got it right? Okay, fine. Okay. Krishna, give to your mom.
చూడు సరి చూడు ఇక్కడ చూసారు
Sari
ఇంకా
Ga Ma Pa Do Ne Sa
కంటిన్యూ అయ్యాక చదువు సరి
Sari Gama Padanisa.
Sarigama Padanisa.
సని దబ
Sani Daba Padanisa.
మగరిస
Sani Dapa.
సని దబ మగరిస
Sari Daba
సని
Sani
దబ
Daba
మగరిస
Margarisa.
Okay, that's all. Okay. Krishna, get your mom.
Yes, sir. Good
Hello,
evening.
ma'am.
Hi, good evening.
Yeah, good evening, ma'am. Yeah, if you have any doubts about this class, you can ask me, ma'am.
Okay, fine, no problem.
Yeah. Huh?
Just
Preetham, where is your mother or father?
My father is at the office. My mother is here.
Give to your mother, Preetham, then.
Yeah, yes. This is wrong.
Ah.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, sir, if you have any doubt, you can ask me, sir, regarding this class.
sure. Sure.
Huh?
Will you send the material after the class? And I mean, after joining,
Sorry, sir, I didn't get what you're telling.
can we get the material?
Which
Voice?
material?
Yeah, and this one only. These classes which are telling, right?
It means you're asking about the lyrics, right?
Right.
Yeah, lyrics you will get.
That's what.
You will get the lyrics in the group. No problem.
Thank you.
Okay, fine. Krishna, your mother has any doubt?
చెప్పు సాని
I think you don't have any doubts, I think, right, ma'am?
యాక్చువల్లీ
Yeah.
ఎన్ని క్లాసెస్ కెన్ ఐ స్పీక్ ఇన్ తెలుగు
You can speak, ma'am, but I don't know Telugu to return you.
కెన్
Just I can know
ఓకే
what you're telling. That's all.
వాట్ ఆర్ ద లెవెల్స్ ఇన్ దిస్
Levels. Okay, that level is junior, senior level.
ఓకే
But for the junior, you wanna learn nearly 3 years, ma'am. For the junior,
ఓకే 3 years
it's the basic.
ఓకే హౌ many it will take for basics only 3 years
Ma'am, it's very disturbance in your voice.
uh, how much time take for basics
Yeah, it takes nearly 3 years, ma'am. It means basic means you're starting from Saralavaste, Tarastai, Mandrastai, Jantivaste, and all. It is the basic. Then next to basic, some Pillari Gites like that. For just for the voice culture basic, minimum you want 6 to 7 6 months.
okay fine
Yeah, like that. The class will be like that.
academy can I know
Sorry, ma'am.
what is this academy
Which Sama Academy?
sama okay fine
Yeah,
Bangalore is it from
Sama.
Bangalore
Sama, yeah, it is in Bangalore. Sama Art Academy.
okay
Okay.
Excuse me. Yeah. Hello. Are you getting me?
Yeah,
Hello.
sir. Yeah.
Is there any branches in Hyderabad? I mean, live classes.
I think it's not any batches in Hyderabad, sir. It's only in Bangalore, I think.
Are you going to start any planning?
I don't know about that, sir. I'm just a tutor of this classes. I don't know about that one at all.
Your name,
Sir?
please. Your name?
Vinay Bhargav.
Vinay Bhargav, right?
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Fine. Okay. Okay. Pritam and Krishna, bye. See you in the class. Okay.